Hi girls, if you've been struggling with unwanted odors, discomfort, or just a feeling of imbalance in your intimate health, then this video might completely change the way you see things. Today, I'm sharing feminine hygiene tips that truly changed my life based on a simple, minimal, and frugal approach without overcomplicating things or using too many products. Stay with me until the end because the last tip is the most powerful one. First, overcleaning is not the solution. The first thing we need to understand is that overcleaning is not always the answer. In fact, sometimes it can do the opposite. The best routine is a minimal and frugal one. No need for too many products. A simple cleaning routine is enough, respecting your body's natural balance. Overusing scented soaps or strong cleansing products can actually cause disruption of the natural balance, dryness and irritation, and even stronger odors instead of improvement. A better approach is to choose simple, more natural soaps with fewer ingredients and more skin-friendly formulations, but let's be realistic, no product is 100% chemical-free. Everything is chemistry in some form, but what matters is choosing safer, well-formulated ingredients that are gentle on the skin. Personally, I really love black soap because it feels deeply cleansing and natural, but since its scent can be quite strong, I like to balance it afterward with something gentle like Dove soap or Marseille soap, which I find very soft and comforting on the skin. In the end, it's all about balance, not perfection, and sometimes simplicity really is the best treatment. Second, odor is not always about hygiene. A lot of girls think that any odor means poor hygiene, but honestly, that's not always true. The female body changes naturally, and many things can affect scent and balance. When hormonal changes, hormones can change your natural scent during the month. For example, before your period, during ovulation, stress or lack of sleep, even lifestyle changes. Sometimes the scent becomes a little stronger or different, and that can be completely normal. Your body is not supposed to smell like perfume all the time. A healthy body has a natural scent, and every woman is different. 2. Tight clothes and synthetic fabrics. This is something many girls don't realize. Tight clothes and synthetic fabrics can trap heat, sweat, moisture, and that may increase odor or discomfort. That's why I personally prefer cotton underwear, changing it daily, avoiding staying too long in sweaty clothes, and letting the body breathe, especially at night. I noticed a big difference when I started choosing more comfortable and minimal clothing. 3. Food affects body odor too. Yes, food can affect your body scent more than people think. Some foods may make odor stronger, like very spicy food, too much garlic and onion, processed food, too much sugar, and not drinking enough water. And some things may help your body feel more balanced: vegetables, fruits, yogurt, and probiotics. Enough water, simple balanced meals. Personally, I feel better when my lifestyle is more simple, minimal, and balanced, so natural scent is not the enemy. The most important things are balance, gentle hygiene, healthy food, and comfort. Sometimes the body simply needs less stress, less overthinking, and more simplicity. Third, probiotics, the secret to real balance. One of the things that completely changed the way I understand feminine care is realizing that health does not always start from the outside, but it actually starts from within. For a long time, I thought the solution was more intimate washes, more scented products, or a very complicated routine. But over time, I realized that sometimes the body simply needs gentle internal support, something minimal and simple. So what are probiotics exactly? Probiotics are beneficial and natural bacteria that already exist inside the body. The word bacteria may sound scary, but the truth is that the body actually needs good bacteria to maintain a healthy natural balance. These beneficial bacteria help with maintaining the body's natural environment, supporting digestion, reducing imbalance and irritation, and supporting the immune system overall. And this internal balance can even reflect on comfort, body odor, and feminine wellness in an indirect way. Where can we find probiotics? The simplest and most common sources are natural yogurt, kefir, and some naturally fermented foods. There are also probiotic supplements available as well. Personally, I love the idea of getting probiotics first through everyday food and natural products that contain them, like yogurt and balanced meals, but honestly, I know it's not always easy to stay consistent with the same healthy diet every single day, especially if you're someone who enjoys variety and changing your meals often, and I'm the same way. With busy everyday life, staying perfectly consistent can sometimes feel impossible. That's also why I like the idea of probiotic supplements, because you take them them daily and regularly, which may help the body stay more balanced over time. For me, having a balance between good nutrition and simple support from supplements is the best simple and minimal approach. Balance is more important than perfection. Sometimes the internet makes us feel like we need 20 different products, a complicated routine, and scented products all the time. But the truth is, the body is actually very smart, and many times a simple internal support plus gentle hygiene plus good nutrition are completely enough for internal balance and how it even affects body sun. One of the most important things I've started to understand over time is that body care is not only external, but what matters most is internal balance. Internal balance simply means that the body is working in a calm and stable way from the inside. Balanced hormones, good digestion, and lower stress levels. 1. Stress and internal balance. When we are constantly stressed or under pressure, the body releases different hormones. Sleep quality is affected and digestion may not function properly. All of this doesn't only affect mood, but also your overall physical feeling. But when we reduce stress and live in a calmer way, the body returns to a better balanced state and we feel more comfortable from within. 2. Digestion and internal health. Good digestion is a very important part of internal balance. When digestion is balanced, the body naturally eliminates waste, energy levels improve, and overall comfort feels better. That's why simple and balanced eating helps support this internal harmony. How internal balance affects body scent. Yes, the internal balance can indirectly affect body scent because our hormones play a role, digestion plays a role, and lifestyle also plays a role. When the body is balanced, natural scent becomes lighter and more stable, and the overall feeling of cleanliness and comfort improves. It's not about hiding odor, but about the body being in a healthier state from within. Internal balance is not something we see, but something we feel. The more the body is less stressed, more relaxed, and well-nourished, the more it reflects on everything, even your natural scent and daily comfort. One of the most important things that completely changed the way I see feminine care is realizing that the issue is not always about products, but often about your daily routine and lifestyle itself. There is something else I want to add as well. We often don't realize how much sleep affects us, but in reality, it has a much bigger impact than we think. When we don't get enough sleep or when our sleep is interrupted, it affects the body's hormonal balance and our overall sense of comfort during the day. Over time, the body starts to lose its natural balance. When I started sleeping better, I noticed a clear difference in my physical comfort. There is also something very simple but important: water. Drink the amount of water that your body feels it needs without exaggeration, because when the body is properly hydrated, it helps support its natural functions, maintains internal balance, and reduces feelings of fatigue and discomfort, and also light movement. It doesn't require intense effort. Just daily walking, simple movement, or reducing long hours of sitting can improve blood circulation and help you feel more comfortable in your body. I realized that feminine care is not only about product, but also about sleep plus water plus movement plus daily balance, and honestly, that is the real simple lifestyle, a minimal and frugal lifestyle. At the end of the day, I truly believe feminine care does not have to be complicated. Sometimes we think we need more products, more steps, and more perfection, when in reality, the body often just needs balance, gentleness, and consistency. A simple, minimal, and realistic routine can honestly make a bigger difference than constantly trying new products all the time. So take care of yourself softly, listen to your body, and remember that health is not about being perfect. It's about feeling balanced and comfortable in your own body. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to know your thoughts on your own simple feminine care tips. See you in my next video. Bye.